If you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk. For 10 years, I lived a quiet, disciplined life, learning how to master my mind, serve others, and live with very little. When I left that chapter behind, I wanted to build something that gave me freedom, not just financial freedom, but time freedom and peace of mind. But stepping into the real world hit me hard. I went from total simplicity to 8-hour workdays, stress, and constant worry about money. By 2021, my company cut my pay. I remember that sinking feeling in my stomach, like everything I'd worked for could disappear overnight. That was my wake-up call. I knew I never wanted to rely on someone else's decision for my survival again. So I started searching hard. I tried everything that promised freedom. Freedom online, affiliate programs, network marketing, reselling products, even a few side hustles that claimed you can make money in your sleep. What I really found was exhaustion. Network marketing had me chasing people and posting fake enthusiasm. Other hustles were basically jobs with extra steps. I was working all day, but still broke. And maybe you can relate to that, feeling like you're doing everything right, yet your bank account doesn't reflect your effort. That constant question in the back of your mind, how long can I keep doing this? Then I saw something different. I noticed regular people on my feed talking about digital marketing, not spammy pyramid stuff, but a real system where you could promote proven digital products and earn commissions daily, all from your phone. At first, I ignored it. I thought, nah, that's gotta be another gimmick. But the more I watched, the more it made sense. It wasn't about recruiting, it was about learning high-value skills once and letting automation do most of the follow-up. So I studied quietly, and eventually I took a small leap. I followed a blueprint that showed me how to set up a real digital business in a single day. No paid ads, no cold DMs, no tech overwhelm. My first few weeks changed everything. I made my first $900 day, then I had an $1,800 day, and before long, I earned multiple 5 figures total from a simple 2-hour-a-day system that runs mostly on autopilot. That moment proved something to me. You don't have to trade your whole life for a paycheck. You just need a model that pays you for creating value once and leverages automation to work for you. Now I spend about 2 hours a day running my business. No paid ads, no cold messaging, no convincing people. Just posting content that helps others and letting the system do the heavy lifting. That's what that's given me isn't just income, it's peace. It's being able to travel whenever I want, spend time with people I love, play music again, and actually breathe. I get messages almost every day from people who've plugged into the same community and are now seeing results of their own. Teachers, retirees, 9-to-5ers who never thought it was possible. That's what fires me up, because once you see a path that actually works, you can't unsee it. You start realizing that you were never behind, you were just missing the right vehicle. And this vehicle lets you keep 100% of your profit. It lets you work around your schedule. It teaches you skills that can pay you for life. When I say this is the easiest digital business you can start in 2025, I don't mean effortless. I mean simple, clear, structured, and realistic for normal people who want freedom without burnout. Everything is already done for you. You learn how to launch your business in a day, plug into a community with daily millionaire mentor training and weekly live coaching from 6- and 7-figure earners, and follow a plan that works if you work it. That's what makes it different from all the side hustles. You're not out there trying to figure everything out alone. You get plugged in to a proven system and learn how to make it work for you. And I get it. Maybe you've tried stuff before that didn't work. Maybe you're skeptical, because I was too. But once you see real people making real income and you follow the same steps, you start to see results you didn't think were possible. I'm not here to promise you overnight riches. What I am here to show you is that you can build an automated digital business that pays you daily in as little as 2 hours a day with 100% profit on every sale you make. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a following. You just need to be done with staying stuck. If you're ready for that, this is your invitation to start fresh. So let's get real for a minute. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because They're tired of wasting energy on things that don't work. That was me for years. I'd wake up motivated, watch another how to make money online video, try a new platform, get lost in tutorials, and end the day more confused than when I started. It wasn't a lack of effort, it was a lack of direction. When I finally plugged into a proven system, it felt like someone handed me the missing map. I realized you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to copy the right wheel until you can build your own. I started with small goals. Cover a few bills, build momentum, learn the basics. And every win mattered. The first $100 day showed me it was real. The first $900 day showed me it was scalable. And the first week, where commissions came in while I was living my life, showed me that freedom was no longer an abstract idea. People always ask me, Dan, do you actually work only 2 hours a day? And the truth is, yes, most days I do. Maybe I work, anywhere from 1 to 3 hours a day. These 2 hours are focused though. No scrolling, no guessing, and no stress. I followed a daily rhythm, create content that helps others, check automations, engage with my community. Then I close the laptop and I live my life, or I put down the phone. Because basically I use my phone mostly, and then I use my laptop as well. So some days that means like I'm just playing my guitar. Some days that means taking a walk or sitting by the water. The point isn't to work less just for the sake of it, it's to live more. That's the real win. Not the money itself, but what the money gives you. Options, breathing room, time. I'll never forget that one morning when I opened my dashboard and I saw another $900 day had rolled in overnight, not because I was glued to my phone, not because I begged anyone to buy. It happened because I finally built leverage. Leverage is when your business works even when you don't. That's the moment everything clicked for me. I thought, if this works for me, a former monk with zero tech background, imagine what it could do for anyone who is willing to learn. That's why I help others now. Because freedom isn't supposed to be reserved for a lucky few. It's for anyone willing to trade excuses for consistency. Here's what keeps most people trapped. They want change, but they keep waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. There's just now. When I started, I didn't have extra money lying around. I didn't have fancy equipment or followers. What I had was hunger and a decision. Decisions change destinies, not chances, decisions. You decide to try one more time. You decide to stop letting fear write your story. You decide to take one step toward freedom. And that step opens every door you've been staring at for years. Inside the system I use, everything is already built. You plug in, follow the step-by-step launch to profit training, and start your business in one day. Then you follow the 2-hour-a-day routine, post 3 pieces of content, go live on social media, let automation handle the rest. It's beginner friendly, no coding, no paid ads, no cold messaging. You keep 100% of your profit on every sale, and you're surrounded by a community that actually cares about your success. That community matters more than anything. When you're building something new, belief is borrowed before it's built. When you see others winning, it reminds you that you can too. I've seen people from every background win with this system. Teachers, construction workers, retirees, full-time parents, all starting from scratch. They didn't need to be experts. They just needed to start. Freedom is waking up without that pit in your stomach. Freedom is knowing your bills are covered before you even open up your laptop. Freedom is saying yes to a trip or a concert or a quiet afternoon because your business keeps running in the background. It's peace, it's not pressure. It's presence, not panic. I still remember the first time I went out with friends in the middle of a weekday and didn't feel guilty about it. I wasn't checking my phone. I wasn't wondering if I'd earned a break. I'd already done my 2 hours that morning and the system kept working while I was living. That's the kind of life I want for everyone watching this video. Not one where you have to escape your job with fake promises, but one where you build something real and automated that aligns with your values. Sometimes people ask me, Dan, how does your past as a monk connect to all of this? Honestly, it's the same philosophy, basically. Discipline, consistency, service. In the temple, I learned that freedom starts with focus. Out here, that focus just takes a new form. Using a system, serving others, and staying consistent. It's not about hype or hustle. It's about peace and progress. And that's exactly what this business represents to me. It's not a race, it's a rhythm. One thing I didn't expect when I started was the level of mentorship. Every single day inside of the community, there's a millionaire mentor training. Short, powerful lessons from people who've already achieved what most dream of. Then every week, live sessions with 6- and 7-figure earners breaking down what's working now. It's not theory, it's practice. And when you surround yourself with that kind of energy, it's impossible not to grow. You're in business for yourself, but you're never building it by yourself. Freedom isn't free. It costs effort, consistency, and the courage to start before you feel ready. But once you pay that price, you realize it was cheap compared to the cost of staying stuck. Staying stuck costs you your peace. It costs you memories. It costs you time. I know that feeling of watching life happen to other people while you keep saying, maybe next year. I said it for years until I finally realized if I don't change the way I earn, nothing else will change either. We're stepping into a new era of online income. Automation and AI are changing everything. And while most people fear it, the smart ones learn how to leverage it. That's what digital marketing really is, leverage. Using modern tools to create income and impact at the same time. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. The opportunity has never been bigger, and the barriers have never been smaller. Whether you're 25 or 65, whether you've tried 10 things or none, this business meets you where you are. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be done waiting. If you're tired of being overworked and underpaid, the next step is simple. Comment yes, and I'll send you the free Freedom Formula Blueprint PDF that walks you through exactly how to make your first 10K online with digital marketing. Or just head to the link in my bio, the link in my description, and just put in your details. Inside, you'll see how the 2-hour workday works, how the system pays daily with 100% profit, and how to plug into the same community that's changed thousands of lives, including mine. Starting is the hardest part, but consistency is what transforms you. Momentum is magic. It doesn't just make you money, it makes you confident. When you see progress, that first notification, that a commission came in, that message from someone you helped, that realization that your business kept running while you slept, it changes something inside of you. You stop questioning if it's possible and start asking how far you can go. That's the moment you realize freedom isn't for them, it's for you. I've had $900 days. I've had $1,800 days. And every single one reminds me that focus and faith beat fear every time. I used to wake up with anxiety about bills. Now I wake up with gratitude and purpose. And that shift from fear to faith is worth more than any dollar amount. If a former monk from Michigan can do this, so can you. You don't need permission. You don't need perfection. You just need to start. So take a deep breath and decide you're done settling. And remember, you're in business for yourself, but you're not building it by yourself. I'll see you in the community. Let's build your freedom together.